Welcome back to our Arduino tutorial series. Today we are unraveling the power of custom functions, a key to writing clean, efficient, and reusable code. Custom functions are like your personal toolbox, crafted to perform specific tasks. They make complex code more manageable and your programming journey smoother. Let's check it out. Let's start with the basics. A custom function is declared with a return type, a name, and parameters. Here's a simple function that adds two numbers. You can call this function in your main loop to perform additions easily. Not all functions need to return a value. Void functions perform an action but don't send a value back. Here's one that simply prints a greeting. By calling the printGreeting function, you can display a warm welcome anytime without cluttering your main code. Functions can also have multiple parameters. This flexibility allows for more dynamic operations. Here's a function that calculates the area of a rectangle. Such functions are incredibly useful for processing inputs and providing outputs based on various parameters. Now let's extend our tutorial on custom functions with a complete Arduino C++ program that incorporates three different functions, one for addition, one void function for displaying a message, and another to calculate the area of a rectangle. This comprehensive example will not only illustrate the concepts we've discussed, but also provide a practical guide for you to follow and experiment with. Now let's have a look at how this program works. The setup function initializes serial communication, which is essential for printing outputs to the serial monitor. The add numbers function is a simple function that takes two integers as parameters and returns the sum. This demonstrates how functions can return values. The printGreeting function is a void function that doesn't return a value but performs an action. In this case, this action is to simply print a greeting message to the serial monitor. This illustrates the use of void functions for tasks that don't need to send data back. The calculate area function is an example of a function that returns a value, this time using two parameters to calculate the area of a rectangle. It shows how functions can work with multiple inputs to produce a result and then send that result back to the caller. The loop function is the main function in this program where custom functions are called from. It showcases how to use the functions and print the results to the serial monitor. There's also the delay function, which is added at the end of the loop to prevent the program from spamming the serial monitor, making the outputs easier to read. This complete program encapsulates the power and versatility of custom functions in Arduino, providing a clear, hands-on example to enhance your understanding and skills. So this was a full Arduino program that utilizes custom functions. I invite you to tweak this code, play around with the functions, and see what unique programs you can come up with. If you're enjoying my video series and find them useful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on notifications for our channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. So again, thank you for tuning in. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy coding.